Dia sempre na função, na contenção, cuspindo fogo igual Charizard, fazendo papo de...
Dai konnichiwa kabitan goki desu. And welcome to the Space Shuttle Electronic Perpetual Motion unboxing video. It's going to be by myself this time. I would have Star Maldrons with me, but unfortunately he has busy stuff to do. He wants me to wait, but I started to lose patience like an hour and a half, so I was like, you know what? I'm going to do this unboxing by myself. Sorry, Gare. But anyways, welcome to the unboxing. This kinetic requires a 1 9-volt battery. Turbo top rotates in constant movement. And this kinetic was made by Westminster and also made by Office Playground, but Office Playground is closed for business. So without further ado, let's unbox this. If I can get the box out of the way. Here's the base right here. Let me go ahead and open up the base and move this aside. Now, actually, I need to plug in the battery for this. Before I do that, I want to show you what the shuttle looks like. Space Shuttle and Saturn. Now to open up the battery. Come on. I'm gonna pause this video for now until I get the thing out. Alright, I'm back. I finally got the thing open. Plug in the battery now. Let me get the poles out. Just to let you guys know, the coming up next about the kinetics will be the first episode of which one's better, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be super exciting. Alright, last step. Now for the motion shot. I mean, it's alright, I guess. A little bit squeaky though. I'm planning to put this right behind my Altair. Right there. I'll have to fix the squeakiness later on. So that'll do it for this unboxing video. Don't forget to leave a like, and if you want to, subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions of what I should do later in the future, remind me on Discord or paste it in the comments below. If you want to join my Discord, links in the description below, and I will see you in the next video. Until long last.